I literally like woke up this morning thinking about my motherfucking favorite boots. Like, y'all know me, I be thirsty as hell when I don't get shit. I even wear my shit up the stove sometimes. But like, I literally just woke up and I'm like, what the fuck am I gonna wear with my HELIOT EMIL boots that I want to wear with everything? So I'm gonna do a YouTube. I ain't gonna do shit else. I'm gonna do a YouTube on my favorite boots. I'm gonna do like 5 or 6 outfits. And I'm wearing them bitches outside. Like, I'm gonna put them on, I'm gonna wear them outside. I'm gonna get people's reactions, what they think. But we gonna have some fun today. It's Marcus Ivory, we back. And yeah, good morning. Here, we back. Welcome back to TMI with Marcus Ivory. First of all, thank y'all for watching my channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for buying my beanie hats that I make. And it's beanie season, so you know I'm back to get y'all some more tutorials on my favorite season, and that's fall, right? So one of my second favorite accessories would be shoes. Like, I love shoes, but more than shoes, I love fucking boots, right? And I walk into my homie's store, Congruent Space, here in Chicago on Grand Street, and they have these awesome ass HELIOT EMIL boots on display. I had to have them. I tried them on, and I literally wore them bitches out the store, right? So today I want to talk about my new favorite boot that I got in my shop, my space, and my life, and I'm on my Mr. Rogers shit right now. I'm about to take them off, but it's this HELIOT EMIL boot. They're so fucking dope. So first of all, it's amazing. It's fucking dope. It has like suede on there, got a little rubber, it's gonna be waterproof, a nice thick sole. And my favorite part is all the like rivets and the shoestrings and all the metal accessories. Like, it's pretty high priced, but I mean, you splurge on one thing this fall, make sure it's on a really nice boot. Some people buy Timberlands, I buy HELIOT EMIL. Now we got Timberland in the back, but today we're talking about HELIOT. Got this dope ass clip on the back on both of them, so you'll never lose your step, no pun intended. But this is it. It's my new favorite boot. I literally woke up this morning thinking about it. I wore these bitches out the stove, and I'm going to show y'all, like, I guess 4 or 5 of my favorite outfits to rock with these, and we're going to see how it goes. So tune in. We out here. It's TMI with Marcus Ivory. We out here. Yeah. All right. So here we go. So first off, I'm going to do this little fake unboxing for y'all, because y'all already... Am I ash? Wait a minute. I'm a little ashy. Hold on. Let me get some lotion. All right, there we go. Because I was a little ashy at first, and I'm like, I ain't never going. So anyway, we back. I'm finna do a little fake unboxing for y'all of the HELIOT EMIL joints. These are my fucking favorite boots right now, guys, and they're fucking so fucking awesome, right? So here we go. Unbox them. First of all, they came with this fat ass duffel bag, shoe bag. That's cool. I mean, I'll never use it because these bitches are gonna be on my feet, but thanks for the duffel bag. And then just look at them mugs. They so fucking dope. Black, rugged, cool as fuck. Look at these, bro. Insane. Like, don't mind my house shoes. Side note, anybody who bought these house shoes, I'm pretty sure they're like a size too small, because I know my heel hanging off the back a little bit. But, you know, we ain't talking about them. We talking about them. So, back to these. My new favorite joints. They're super comfortable. They're kind of heavy, but the detailing and everything is just so dope. Like, get into this boot. Like, if you could get a boot this fall, this would be the boot that you need to get. Like, I'm telling you. Heavy. J Hood, way out here. But no, they super dope. They're super heavyweight, but not too heavy where you can't walk in them. But they're just statement making. Like, I told you, everywhere I wear these bitches, so they're like, yo, bro, where'd you get your boots from? Them bitches tough. Them bitches hard. Let me get y'all a professional little shot. Hold on, wait. There we go. That's a little better with the box. Them bitches tough, right? So let's look at some looks. So for me, you know, all my good outfits, they start out on the floor. So I'm going to throw some looks together, see how we're going to rock out with these. With them bitches busting.